Good day, students. So I'm going to discuss to you our first topic for second trimester, ballroom dance, cha-cha dance. So first is, what is ballroom dance? Ballroom dance is a form of a social dance that is performed for enjoyment, recreation, and entertainment, but also in stage and in competition. Ballroom dance originated from the Latin word ballare, means to dance. So this is the fun, flirty dance that grew out of the Cuban mambo and became popular in the United States in 1950s. So we have here the two classifications of ballroom dance. The first is the Latin American dances. The Latin American dances, the partner dances are sexier, sensual, and expressive. It entails the samba, cha-cha-cha, rumba, paso doble, and the chive. Later on, I'm going to show you the different attire of ballroom dance. So we have also here the standard ballroom. The dancers perform slow and graceful movements to complete the steps. One example there is waltz. Okay, so next we have our ballroom attire. So we have here the Latin attire and the standard attire. The attire of, in Latin, the attire of female performers generally shorter than the standard or smooth dress to show off legs. And for males, often have skirts or frills. Frills is the extra thing that are added to make it more attractive on them that will exaggerate hip and body movement. And we have here the standard attire. For standard attire for female, long gowns for females, and tie for males. So next is we have our first topic for this second trimester. Cha-cha-cha is a ballroom dance characterized by lively and flirtatious movement. The dance is renowned as a fun, flirtatious, lively, and energetic dance, and it is a preference for both professional and non-professional dancers. A dance originated from Cuba and was originally known as the cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha was introduced to the US in 1954. The dance had grown to become most popular of Latin American dances. In dancing cha-cha-cha, each pair is composed of a leader and a follower. The leader is the one who controls the flow of the dance and guide the followers. We have also the cha-cha-cha music. Cha-cha-cha music is also known of the most famous of Latin music, notable for its fast tempo and lively beats. So I hope that you're going to enjoy dancing cha-cha-cha, especially to those students who did not yet experience dancing cha-cha-cha. Thank you very much.